Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. Today I will show you how to design a modern logo. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line like this. Select a stroke color. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now press Ctrl+D to others copies. Perfect. After that, select all. Press Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. OK. After that, select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from here. Like this. After that, select this circle, hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And intersect with this line. Again hold Alt to copy. And intersect this line. Like this. After that, select the ellipse tool. And draw a little circle from this corner. Now select this. Hold Alt and intersect with this corner. Like this. Now select these two circles. Hold Alt and copy. And place it in this corner. Like this. Again copy. And place it here. Hold Shift and rotate like this. And intersect with this corner. Now press Ctrl+Y and check thoroughly does one intersect with the other. Again press Ctrl+Y for the back. OK. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Change it to fill color. Now click and drag to join these parts. Join every small parts carefully. OK. After that, select all. Hold Shift and rotate like this. Now hold Shift and select these three shapes. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. OK. Now we need to apply this color to this logo. Select all. And stroke color none from here. And go to the gradient panel. Click here. Again select all. And go to the eyedropper tool. Pick this color. Okay, our logo design is complete. Now you can adjust the gradient color. For that, select this. And go to the gradient tool. Adjust the gradient way you want. Do this all like this. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.